everyone, today we have a Starcraft Marine inspired build. I really like the curves of this armor piece, really sexy. And you can move the shoulders like this, then just close it back down. This will come in two versions. We have a blue one and his buddy a red one. This red version is basically a reskin. From the front, you can see that both designs are the same. The only difference is that this red version is carrying a tank, which it uses to power up its weapons. Both are built on the same bruiser frame, which is based on our standard exo frame. This one having bigger arms and shorter legs. Alright, let's close this up. And this kit will come with two weapons. We have a rifle, which you can attach directly to the palms, like so. Okay, then close the digits. Make sure everything fits. Then we have a sword that we can connect to the palms as well, like so. If we can connect this, okay. Kinda looks like a big knife. Alright, if you like big boy builds like these, please let me know down in the comments. And thank you for watching. Keep on building.